Right now, we have a great opportunity of attracting investors to come to South Africa because they can see that we are serious about taking our country forward. We are serious about correcting things so that things are properly done. We are serious about fighting corruption. We are renewing our party, and in rebuilding mode, we are going to make sure that the ANC can be well trusted by everyone.
But your biggest rivals are in the party, aren't they? Your biggest enemies, the biggest dangers to you come from within the ANC.
No. We are a robust movement. We're a movement where people debate issues, where people differ, where people speak their mind, and we need to allow that. We are a diverse movement, and this is what has really kept the ANC together. The diversity. We don't have one monolithic view in the ANC.
But people want to see arrests, so they want to see real action, not just words.
People want to see
arrests, people going on trial.
Well, yes, those people want to see arrests, but we are repairing institutions that were weakened, institutions that were broken. And these things take time.